Hi guys, so today we came with another informative video as I show you that your commenters tell us about cabbage gravy recipe. So for this we already took all this ingredient. Like for cabbage we already took this cabbage, we have to slice, I will show you. Then we took this all onion, tomato, potato, green chili, coriander for garnish, ginger garlic paste I already made it, okay, and our this oil and this all spices we took here, like coriander powder 1 spoon, half spoon red chili powder, cumin powder half spoon, black pepper half spoon, turmeric powder half spoon, and this mixed spices 2 spoon. And also this like we took this cumin seed and these cloves also, okay. So we will put this, and also this all utensils you seeing this, like we need knife, chopping board, and this utensil. So all this ingredient you need for to make our this delicious recipe. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And tomato paste also we need, like tomato paste and also salt to taste, and water as I will show you. So I will show you step by step. First what we'll do, first we have to cut our this slice our cabbage. We have to saute in pan, and we will make gravy our like ginger garlic paste, onion and tomato. Then we will put this in our gravy with the potato, okay. So I will show you step by step. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because here you found daily informative video we upload daily. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and please comment in comment box. So let's start. I already took 2 pan. One pan we will make our gravy here, and here we will saute our this cabbage, okay. So first we have to make our gravy here, like onion, ginger garlic paste and tomato and potato. Then we will make saute here our cabbage. Then we will put this cabbage here, okay. So we have to wait for heat. So we will put then here our little cumin seed and then onion, okay. So I already chopped my onion and also tomato also. So I will show you, okay. So now our this already heated our oil. So you just put here little cumin seed, okay. So now put this our onion, okay. So I have to saute our till 5 minutes our onion. Then we will add our like ginger garlic paste, and then our spices which I show you before, okay. I have to cook till 5 minutes. I will show you when this will be ready, okay. So our onion already this golden brown color now little. So you just put little ginger garlic paste. I already made it ginger garlic paste. So you just add little, okay, and have to mix till again 5 minutes cook. Then we will add our spices here, okay. So I already put my all spices here, so have to mix well, and now we have to put little water and also tomato, and have to cook, mix well, okay. Again 5 to 10 minutes we have to cook this. Then we will add our tomato. So 5 minutes finish, I put my tomato here, okay, like this, and have to mix well. Have to add a little water, okay. You have to mix well and cook this spice. Then we will put our this potato here little till 15 minutes we have to cook our potato. Then we will put our this cabbage here. So first we have to saute our cabbage here, okay. So we have to wait for 5 minutes this spices, and I will show you how you will saute cabbage. So 5 minutes finish, I just add our potato. So we have to cook this our potato till 15 minutes here. And before this we have to put green chili also, or green chili, okay. Wait, add little green chili. So now we have to cover this and have to cook till 15 minutes, okay. So I will show you after 15 minutes. Little water put and have to cover, okay. So after 50 minutes I will show you, okay. So our this oil also heated. So now we have to saute our this capsicum, cabbage. So little saute. So then we will saute. We will gravy ready. So we will put in our gravy this our okay. So we have to saute this proper. Okay. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes you have to saute like this. Because you will saute, so this will be little crispy and also taste will be good. So you have to saute, okay, this one. So now 15 minutes finished, we have to check our this gravy. Oh wow, so this is our gravy already ready. So we have to put little this tomato paste also, okay, little, not too much, only little you put, and have to mix. Was this tomato paste to give thickness to our gravy. And also we already sauteed our this cabbage. So now we have to transfer this cabbage here, and again 10 minutes we have to cook. Okay, so we have to transfer this here. Okay, so you can put here this one and have to cook more 10 minutes. So I already transfer my cabbage here. So we have to cover this, and again 10 minutes we have to cook. Okay? So after 10 minutes maybe this will be ready. So we have to cook again 10 minutes. I will show you after 10 minutes. Okay. So after 10 minutes we have to check our this capsicum, this cabbage gravy. Oh wow! So this is already done. So this is already done. You can check like the texture and also color. So like this should be this your gravy. Okay. So like this little bit juicy like this. Okay. Now this is ready to serve. So now you can transfer in a bowl and you can serve with paratha or like rice or whatever. So you can serve this cabbage gravy. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like this video, like or share to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. Transfer only in a bowl. So now this is ready to serve. You can serve with paratha or rice or whatever. So this is ready to serve. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative video. If you, how you feel about this video, please comment in comment box and tell me how's your review about this recipe. So I hope you will do like this. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also and tell to your friend also, because in this channel you find all informative video. So we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.